Hello, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. Today is part 2 of trying to get my downpipe off, but in the meantime, I'm going to make this short little video of how to solve your P1444 code if you have a Nissan. P1444, if you read up on it, is a purge valve code, and this is a sucker that you need. Alright, right here. Got it right here. Z1 Motorsports sells them, Nissan itself sells them. It's right here on your, say hi to John.
Hey.
And it's your charcoal canister is located right back here, in the back of your car. There's supposed to be heat shield here. Mine's all cut up, and it's right there. That's what you need to replace. It's kind of a pain, but not as bad as this damn downpipe. So that's what we're doing right now. Alrighty, so update. In order to even get this thing off, there is a bolt up here that holds on your right there. The holes on your heat shield. I just broke it off because I was getting pissed at it, so it snapped, and so it finally came off. But in order to get to it, you have to go through, where is it? Oh,
Labyrinth.
Yeah, these two little exhaust like holders right there to get your bolt through there, and that's a pain in the ass. And then you could finally take it off. Mine was extremely rusted, and then after you get that off, you could finally get to another bolt that is right there. You can see it.
I'm trying to see if it matches.
And that's also extremely rusted, so probably gonna snap, and it's not gonna be fun. Fucking. Alrighty, so another update. Pretty much just what you want to do. If yours is normal, it'll have a heat shield covering this. And there's one bolt up there to take off, and there's another one I think down here somewhere, but we didn't have to take those off. So just take that one off up there. This will have like a bolt connected to it, and then up here does snap.
There we go.
I don't know what we did.
No, I don't know if that did or not. It did, even though it was going through.
Whatever, I don't give a shit. We'll just get new ones. Anyway, so there's one up there, right there, that you need to take off. After you get that heat shield off, that's the only way you can get to it. Then there's another one right here, which John just took off in your wheel well, right there. And it connects to the heat shield on that side. And then I think there's one, oh yeah, there's one more right up in there. Right, where did it go? Right there. That'll connect right there. You gotta take that one off. Then the heat shield will come down. I think now we should be ready. I'm gonna try and pull this out now.
And the biggest pain is there's a top little clamp on the sensor that you have to reach in and push down.
This sensor right there is a pain to get off. The hose, that's what we're trying to replace right here. But it's being difficult. So we'll try and figure out where this I think looks like there's one more bolt somewhere, I think. But we'll figure it out, and I'll get back to you guys on it. Alright, so we're finally got it off. There's the new one's going in, as you can see. Wait, John, before you put it in, I want to show them the new one and the old one. So my dad said to tell if this one's bad that you want to look inside the springs. And yep, sure enough, the spring is.
Let me see it.
Look at the spring is all. Look at the spring on this one. Nice and like tight compared to yeah. So the spring on this one is nice and tight.
Man, it's dusty.
And then that one's, you can't really see, but it's,
you don't want it.
You don't want it. That's the old one, and it looks different than this one, but it'll be the same. It fits the same and all that. Once you get all those bolts off, like we said, it may seem like it's not going to come out, but you can pull it out a little bit. We didn't take it out all the way. You just need to get it past this little metal thing right here. We got it past that. Now John's just putting it back in. Turn it up, just and like boom. That. Bada boom, bada bing. In order to take it off, you turn it to the left, and pull it out halfway. And then, yeah.
And now everything's back in spot. That's ready to be
put the
bolted right back in. Oh, wait. No, you.
We gotta go get some more.
Why?
I'm just gonna go get some more bolts, probably, but because all those are rusty. But besides that, you're pretty much all set, boys. What are you doing?
Oh.
Yeah, it's on there.
Oh, that's cool. That just clips right in.
Yeah.
That's dope.
So John's just putting the hose back on. Then you gotta put the sensor back on too. All the way up at the top there.
Yeah.
And she's set. Now you just need to get the bolts back in, but which proves to be a fun excursion. It's a wonderful time doing that.
Don't do it.
Yeah.
Go to a mechanic.
Yeah, pretty much. This one up here is gonna be a pain in the arse. I'm not even gonna do the one on the bottom. I don't care about that one because that one's just gonna be. Actually, I might do that one. That one looks easy. It might be this one that I don't do. One of them I'm not gonna do because you don't have to do all three to hold it in. So you probably should just to be safe, but you don't.
Should.
You don't have to. So.
Mark, where you got anti-seize? Put some of that on the one bolt that we got to put back in though.
Oh, is that like the thread locker? Are you talking about? Or
no, anti-seize. It makes it so when the bolt comes back out, it will come out and it will not break. And
well, when we get the, I'll put them on the new bolts when I get those. But anyway, that's pretty much the video. Hopefully that solves the issue. I'm sure it will. You can tell by the springs it is not the right one. So that's it for today, guys. Sorry that I have no Wi-Fi and I can't do any top 10s or anything like that. But they'll be coming back as soon as I can. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. John.
Peace. Take it easy.
And that's how you fix the P1444 code on your Nissan 350Z. It's a blast. You should redo it just for fun. Even if you don't have to fix it, you should do it anyway.
And the rustier the bolts, the better.
Yeah. Oh, it's amazing when they're nice and rusty. You get to snap them right off. It's a blast. It really is.